Where's your smile gone? 'Cause it don't shine no more. There's a light on, but you don't open the door. When you're ready, you can tell me what's wrong. I've had trouble and there's no hiding that. If you're struggling, let me know where you're at. Life gets heavy and that road can be long. When the rain comes and the sky's falling down in your darkest hour, when there's no one around, it won't be long. Keep your head strong. Hold on tight to me. Hold on tight, hold on. When you feel like crying, go on, let it out. Just remember, the sun is shining behind the clouds. It won't be long till your pain's gone. Just hold on tight to me. Hold on tight, hold on. Times of worry can get the best of us, and I understand how you could lose your trust. Let me show you that here is where you belong. I can be your shoulder to cry on. You'll find comfort in my arms. I can be your shelter